Hey everybody, just got back from my walk. As you can see, I'm a little glossy. So, my week. I'll make it really quick because you guys have suffered enough throughout the past few days of my vlogs. And I'm sorry for the long one yesterday, but now you understand why. So, tomorrow, a friend of mine from high school, who I've worked with before on plays and everything, will be coming by and will be working on his documentary about my hometown. We lived in the same town, we grew up in the same town, we went to the same high school, and we're going to basically sit around and film, and he's going to interview me about growing up in my hometown, which is Highland Park, New Jersey. That I can talk about. Heck, I grew up there. It's a nice, quiet town. It's only about a mile long, really, and it's beautiful. And I remember it very, very fondly as my hometown. So that's Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm going into the sitting to meet a commercial casting agent. Not personally, but he's doing a program where he's teaching a group of actors about doing commercial work. And we're doing, like, readings. So he's getting to know us. We're bringing our, resumes and headshots, and we're submitting ourselves. So that's Wednesday. Wish me luck. Who knows? Who knows? I may go somewhere with this. I'm going somewhere. I just will be going sooner. That's all I'm going to say about that. So that's basically my week. It's like Thursday, I'll get a little rundown from Wednesday because I'll be walking around. I'll be with Vanessa on Wednesday, my friend who's been with me every time I've gone to New York, usually, and I've talked to her. And we'll be filming from New York again, so not to worry. You will be suffering with me. But again, thanks for coming along with the walk with me. And anytime you want, talk to me. I'll talk back to you. My neighbors probably think I'm crazy because I'm talking to myself all the time, even though I'm talking to you guys. Hey, it's what I do. So I will talk to you tomorrow.